If you want to import the contact from the iCloud account to your iPhone, then let us see how to do it. At first, I will go to this phone icon, and if I go to the contact, at the moment I don't have any contact. So if I want to import the contact from iCloud, I will go to settings. I will go to sign into your iPhone. Then I need to enter my Apple ID. Next. Then I need to enter the password for the Apple ID. Next, I am signing into my iCloud account. So once I am into my iCloud account, what I will do is I will go to this iCloud here, and I need to make sure this contact button it is enabled. Now it is already enabled, so I will go back to the phone icon, and if I go to the contact here, I can see all the contacts are now imported from the iCloud to my iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.